What to do in a roundabout with multi-lanes. So if you're in the left lane and if you're proceeding straight through and if there's no left turn at that particular roundabout like here, if you pay attention there's an arrow pointing straight from the left lane and the right lane's going straight and right. So there's no left hand side street at all. So in this situation we can proceed without waiting because nobody can cross the white solid line between the two lanes. Check the right hand side just in case. You can never rule out that other drivers don't understand it. In this situation, we're going to have a vehicle that's turning from the right hand side, and same as in previous situation, there's no left turn here. So we can go at the same time as the ute on our right hand side here. They shouldn't change lanes until the solid white line dividing the two lanes expires roughly around here. Once again, just make sure that you check for everything because the road rules are not assurance that everyone follows them. No matter how optimistic you may be in life, but you've got to be your biggest pessimist when you're driving a motor vehicle. That way you're going to be cautious enough to prevent any potential accidents. See, in this situation here, left lane's going left and straight, the right lane's going straight, and also you can make a U-turn from the right lane if you needed to because there's no right turn. There's no street going to the right in this situation. Make sure you indicate on time when exiting roundabouts in any situation, whether there's a left turn or no left turn, but that's a topic for another video. This time we're using the right lane and we want to make a U-turn. You can clearly see it's a four-way roundabout. So what we're going to do, we're going to have to get closer to the roundabout to see if there's anyone that we must give way to. If there's nobody, we can proceed. But now we're anticipating the intersection. We can see the white car coming on our right-hand side. We've got to give way to it and then proceed. We have one question that a lot of inexperienced drivers ask: if anyone can have priority over you if you are inside of the roundabout. The answer to that is no. When you are finishing a U-turn at a roundabout, make sure you don't change lanes too soon. Make sure that the line, a solid white line, expires before you attempt to change lanes. I hope that this video was useful to you. Don't hesitate asking any questions in the comments below. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next video.